Okay, I need to do this video, and everybody can see that I have something around my neck. Okay, it goes down between my legs, right? But really, the one between my legs now comes out to the one on this side, and I shouldn't do it that way, right? I have to undo this to show you exactly. Right, now when I do this between my legs, right, I need to take it actually and go around this way. Okay, I seen this in a program. Now you can either use it as a dog thing and put this around your neck. Okay, and the one around your neck you would put between your legs and then put, I don't know what it is. Okay, but I'm assuming, okay, not sure, I saw it like this. And it went once around each side of my neck, around my stomach, and between my legs. Now I'm assuming this has nothing to do, it could be something to do with the planet, holding a planet, and it also could be something to do inside your body. Something they did chemically to switch around something inside of us so we can't pick up the alternate world. Now, I know a lot of people are saying, you're nuts. What alternate world? Well, if there's no alternate world, and you believe in God, well, blow that theory out. May as well just believe in the Big Bang. But the Big Bang is real. When you have a Big Bang, you explode an area that gives you an area space, pushing everything out. Obviously, you push it out. There's got to be an energy on the outside that when it hits it, it comes back in and squeezes. You create an area space. You have an air pocket that's empty. Now, if you don't feel that air pocket, it'll close in on you. So we need to complete it with a matter. By keeping this matter in there, nothing can force itself in. So we're actually forcing everything out inside. That's why we're expanding. We need to expand from the area that we are in. So we all know the drift of what I was doing. Now part 2 of this video, okay, is going to be right here on this board. Now I've shown this board off before, and I'm going to be showing this board off again. This is the inverse of the hopscotch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now usually when you get to this box over here after this one, it ends here, and then we start with 11 and 12. By starting with 11 and 12, you're starting with 2 and 3. Here you have 1, and we can go down and do it this way. Here's 2 and 3. Now over here, my question is, should I start with 1 or should I start with 2 and 3? So I'm going to start with 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8, 9, 10 and 11. Now this 10 and 11 is now 1 and 2 again. So it actually stops here. This is where the rainbow shows up at the top. Do you see what I did over here? Now this part over here is the stand for the spade and the club. This would be the point, right? You ever have a spade? So we can run this whole thing as being the spade. If I want to create the spade, I can actually create the spade this way. And in some cases, this can also create that eye, which is just 2 circles. So I'm putting this eye on a stand. Now I have another picture for this, and I'm going to show it. And that picture is, whoa, something just happened to my screen. And that picture is, hold on a second, just 1 second, and that picture is right over here. It's a picture right over here. Here's one eye in between 2 palettes, so we can pick up from both worlds. I'm not exactly sure how it works, what I did. I'm not exactly sure how I created it. And then there's all these plateaus. It's got to be discussed. Remember, I see things in visions. So now we're going to make this a little bit bigger, and we're going to go back to this reality. So now when we work the numbers, right, we're going to work the numbers, but I'm going to do it up here. We have 1, 2, and 3, is 5, then we have 4. And we have 5 and 6 is 11, and then we have 7. 7 come 11 the gateway. Then we have 8 and 9, right, which is 17. And then we have 10. So when we get to 10, we get 1. Here we get 17. Here we get 7, 2, 4, 5, and 1. So we go 1, 4, 7. Then we go 5, 2, and 8. Exactly the same way as your telephone. 1, 4, 7, 2, 5, 8. Now on the other side of things over here, I'm going to keep it on this side so it's easier to see. You get 3, you get 3, you get 9, you get 6, you get 15. 1 and 5 is 6. 15. 1 and 5 is 6. You get 9, you get 21. 2 and 1 is 3. And then if you want to continue on to the 12th, you get 3 again. 3, 3, 9, 6, 6, 9, 3, 3. One is the, when you're starting off at 2s. On the other one, you get 1, 2, 4, 7, 8. So it seems to work in the same fashion as the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here is your 33 command create of your rotation. And that ends up in from between here and here. 4 and 5, okay, into 6. This is your trench or your Fox passage in the sun, right? Letters D and E. The reverse letters, okay, of W and U is V. That's right. VW is over here. VW becomes the sun, and then this one over here becomes S and T. Spirit time, and 51 is Mars, and this, right, is created. 7 times 8 is 56. 7 plus 8 is 15, so it's 41, which will recreate this passage inside the sun. If we bring this to the 7th gate, it's 2, 1, 1, 2 to the minus, okay? It's plus 7 and plus 1, so this is 6 and 9 is plus 7, plus 1, plus 1, plus 7, 1771. So everything that's happened, like the U.S. 1776, 1771, and all these things are just created through things that were created before, and we're just joining two systems together. I'd like to say that your air is also your force, Air Force. C&E, gold, bringing 6 into force. Fire, air, I had this written down, fire, air, soil. Soil is oil, and fire, air, soil, and water. Now, tear equals to earth. Soil equals to the law. So we're going to go 19 and 15 is 34, 43, 53. Do I got it? Is it 55, 21, 31, 36, 46, 55? And water is 24, 44, 49, 59, 67. So we have fire, air, soil, water. 4, 1, 1, 2. Just adding them up. Inside of fire is these 3 are all red, black. These are all red letters. These letters, red, black, red, red. These letters, red, red, black, red, red. So most of the letters are red. Why? Because roulette tells me it in this. Okay, I can bring other realities. I can go to the pool game and use gematria if I want. I can just revert everything in the basic alphabet to be 1 through 9. In numbers, it would be 1 through 26, which would actually be 1 through 9, making 8 the last one. I can use gematria, which is 1 through 7. I can use Chaldean, right, which is 1 through 8. I can also use Hebrew gematria and everything else, but I don't. At the same time, I want to show you that the indentation over here is, see this over here, but if you turn it sideways, right, it's your W, it's your pyramids, it's whatever you want. We've seen this before. I can bring one other thing into this video, but I'm not going to do it right now. Just want to back up and see if I have anything on my back pages. I think we did this in our video yesterday about the 00 and the single zero. 00 and the single zero when it happens twice a day. I think we're going to leave the video, and thank you very much for watching this video. For those who don't know where I live, I just want to leave the camera like that or like that, and thank you for watching this video. Where am I? Where in the world is this place? Home.